and how you blow the air from your mouth. This. Now let's look at some words. Do subscribe to the channel if you've still not subscribed, and remember to click the like button. Let's look at the next pair of sounds today. While practicing these sounds, keep in mind to observe the teeth, the lip, and how you blow the air from your mouth. Shall we practice? If you think that these videos are helpful, then do subscribe to the channel if you've still not subscribed, and like button, and do share it. Let's look at some words now. Fan, pan, fit, pit, fig, pig, faint, paint, fashion, passion, fair, pair, file, pile. There are many words that you can comment once you practice. I'm waiting for you people to practice and share more words in the comments. Keep practicing till we meet next time. Bye.